مرحبا وأهلا وسهلا فيكم. Hello and welcome. I help students like you speak Arabic and not just learn about it. My mission is to help you get speaking Arabic and overcome all the obstacles and difficulties that are between you and fluency. Before we start, why don't you visit the link down below to get your free copy of the Levantine Lebanese Spoken Arabic Conversation and Phrase Book, free of charge. Check the link down below. ويلا, let's begin.
مرحبا وأهلا وسهلا فيكم. Summer and beach vocabulary in spoken or colloquial Levantine Lebanese Arabic with Spanish translation. فصل الصيف, summer season. فصل الصيف. We also commonly refer to it as الصيفية. الصيفية. بالصيفية بروح على البحر. بالصيفية بروح على البحر. In summer I go to the sea or beach. To be specific, بحر is sea, بحر. شط is shore or beach, and we say شط البحر, شط البحر. That means the sea shore, literally, or beach. شط البحر, شط البحر. اسبح بالبحر. I swim in the sea. اسبح بالبحر. For example, بحب اسبح بالبحر. I like to swim in the sea. موج, waves. موج. موج البحر, sea waves. موج البحر. شمس, sun. شمس. شمسية is an umbrella. شمسية. عوينات is glasses, and when we say عوينات شمس, that means sunglasses. عوينات شمس. عوينات شمس. اتشمس means I sunbathe. اتشمس. أنا بحب اتشمس. I like to sunbathe. اتشمس. We also say أعمل bronzage, and that's a common phrase. Bronzage taken from French. That means I sunbathe or I get a tan, literally. أعمل bronzage. بحب أعمل bronzage بالصيفية. I like to get a suntan in summer. واقي الشمس, sunscreen. واقي الشمس. And we often just simply say protection. واقي الشمس. شو. That means it's hot. شو. كتير شو. We can say شو بكتير. Either or. That means it's very hot. كرسي, a chair. كرسي. كراسي in the plural. كراسي. We also use the French word for deck chairs, chaise longue. Chaise longue. منشفة, a towel. منشفة. طابة, a bowl. طابة. مشاية, slippers or flip-flops. مشاية. صندل, sandals. صندل. شنطة, a bag. شنطة. شنطة البحر. شنطة البحر. شنطة البحر. Beach bag. Maillot, and that's from French, and it means a swimsuit. Maillot. البس مايو. I wear a swimsuit. البس مايو. For example, بلبس مايو لما روح على البحر. I wear a swimsuit when I go to the beach or literally the sea. بلبس مايو لما روح على البحر. رفش a shovel. رفش. دلو a bucket. دلو. رمل sand. رمل. العب بالرمل. I play with the sand. العب بالرمل. حب العب بالرمل. I like to play with the sand. قصر a castle. قصر. ابني قصر. I build a castle. ابني قصر. حب ابني قصر. I like to build a castle. عصير juice. عصير. عصير أناناس pineapple juice. عصير أناناس. حب اشرب عصير أناناس. I like to drink pineapple juice. ليمونادة lemonade. ليمونادة. اشرب ليمونادة. I drink lemonade. An example, حب اشرب ليمونادة. I like to drink lemonade. مجلة a magazine. مجلة. اقرأ مجلة. I read a magazine. اقرأ مجلة. حب اقرأ مجلة على البحر. حب اقرأ مجلة على البحر. I like to read a magazine on the sea, literally, or when I'm at the sea or beach. حب اقرأ مجلة على البحر. بطيخ watermelon. بطيخ. آكل بطيخ. I eat watermelon. آكل بطيخ. بوظة ice cream. بوظة. Again, you can say بحب آكل بطيخ. I like to eat watermelon. بحب آكل بوظة. I like to eat ice cream. آكل بوظة means I eat ice cream. وأخيراً, and finally, can you name all the items in the picture? Pause the screen and let me know in the comments box below. هذا كان كل شيء وشكراً لكم.
Wanna learn Lebanese colloquial Arabic from zero and from lesson 1? No previous knowledge whatsoever of Arabic is needed. These courses are handcrafted to get you speaking Lebanese from day one, from beginner to intermediate level, with complete peace of mind, quality resources, and mobile access. You can purchase a course individually, or you can purchase all courses for a one-off discounted fee. This way you can cruise with ease from beginner to upper intermediate level with no hefty fees, and that's really a bargain. Lifetime access, that means no monthly bills and no subscriptions, so you can have peace of mind and take your own time and just focus on your learning. Exclusive video tutorials. You don't have to scrounge the internet for resources and lessons. It's all waiting for you and accessible at the click of a button. A multitude of ebooks to download. Your own mini library for learning Lebanese. You are covered 100% in terms of written resources and notes. Everything is in English translation and transliteration, as well as Arabic text. More peace of mind if you don't know how to read and write Arabic. You will have the text, translation, transliteration, and the video. There's no silly TikToking and no pointless vlogging, just professional lessons and support all the way. Your time is precious,
and just what you need to speak Lebanese, and no silly marketing hacks and no spam email. Flexible learning, learn anytime via PC, laptop, tablet, mobile, you choose. Learn on your own terms, on the bus or the train or in the coziness of your own home. Get exclusive free bonus content and giveaways from the best-selling paid resources on the blog. You will certainly enjoy all the freebies. If you're thinking, yes, I want in, visit www.learningarabicwithangela.com/spoken-arabic. What do members who have bought the course say? Mitchell from the USA says, if you desire to be inspired to learn Levantine Arabic, please sign up for the program. If you examine the amount of material and support provided in relationship to the very reasonable cost, you will see what a grand bargain it is. It's very inspirational and friendly too. Rosie from Mexico says, I've utilized many methods of learning Lebanese Arabic, and Angela's courses are by far the best.